Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Remaker AI account. So all you have to do is just simple open up your browser guys and type in Remaker AI. Head over to their official website and you will see sign up and sign in on the upper right hand side. And it is super easy. You click on sign up, sign in, and you can sign in with your Gmail account, right? And once you sign in, for the first time, you see that you get 30 credits. Now, I've done this before, and I've already got my 30 credits, and I've also have some purchase credits as well. So, as you can see, you just need to select your current Gmail account. Keep in mind that in order for you to see this, you want to ensure that you sign into Google. So, if you go to Google and sign in with your Google account, then once you head over to Remaker.com, you will be able to see your email address here. You just simply select it and you sign in, you accept it, and you're able to sign right into your account. As easy as that. And you create an account, and once you sign in, you will see that you have 30 credits. As I said, I have credits already, and you can always go ahead and purchase more credits if you find it useful. To purchase the credits is super simple. Just simple come here, choose a credit that you want, and you can just simply choose the method of payment and choose buy now. And of course, once you purchase, you become a VIP as well. So if you want to create your Remaker AI account, guys, go ahead and find the link in the description of this video. You can create your account and you can try out the 30 credits using any of the AI tools that they have available. And if you're satisfied, if you find it useful, you can purchase some credits there from the link as I share with you in the description below. Keep in mind, guys, that the link in the description is my affiliate link as well. You can create an account. You can choose if you want to purchase. If you purchase from my affiliate link, I'll get a small commission, and that's going to show a token of appreciation and help to support the channel as well. So thank you guys for that. Find it in the description or in the pinned comments. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.